Welcome back to the channel. Today I finally bring you the shredded chicken that I have on Instagram for a long time. But before we begin with the video, I wanted to let you know that if you like my content, you can support the channel by gifting me or giving me a coffee. There's a link down below where you can do that. Thank you. So these are the ingredients and they will be listed down below in the description box. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be washing the oyster mushroom and we're gonna pat them dry until they're very dry. Once we have that, we can do it with our hands like so. We can just shred it as if it was shredded chicken. The idea is to make it look like it, right? So you can do it with a knife and make it as small as you want or as big as you want. This is perfect for sandwiches, soups, like so many ideas. And you can just do it like I'm doing right now. We have to put it in a bowl because we're going to be using oil, and so I'll show you how we'll do that. Remember, for these mushrooms, the oyster mushroom, you can use everything, so don't waste anything. So now I'm gonna tell you what I do first. So we will add the oil and the soy sauce together so they're well combined, and then we mix it with the chicken, and we're gonna do this so everything gets coated with the oil and the soy sauce. This is very important. After that, we're gonna add some spices, but first I want to show you, this one is the one that I use and it comes like that. You can use this, there's no chicken in it, it's just spices, and they are rosemary, thyme, sage, a lot of other, but you can just use the spices instead if you don't live in Canada, but since I have it, I use it. We're gonna combine salt, pepper, and the rest of the ingredients together, and we're gonna little by little we're gonna be adding it to our chicken, so that way everything gets well combined and like every piece has the spices, right? So what I do is I pour some in, I mix it, and then I put some more, just like so. And this is super simple, even kids can make it. And what you do is just mix it up. So in a baking sheet, we're gonna spread the chicken like so, pat it so you know they get like crispy, and we're gonna, in a preheated oven, we're gonna put it on 375 Fahrenheit. We're gonna mix it in between times. Remember, every oven is different, so you might need to cook it longer or shorter periods, but by mixing it halfway, you can kind of tell how long it will take. For me, it's around 25 to 30 minutes. And check that out. Look at that. It is not only delicious, but it looks delicious. In case you do have an air fryer, we're gonna cook these for 10 minutes on 375 Fahrenheit. And you have to open it a couple of times just to make sure everything is mixed. So you open it, mix it, and then you have this beautiful chicken. Look at that, and it's very crispy. It's so good. The next time I will bring you recipes and how to use this chicken with. And that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me thumbs up. And don't forget, we have other social media and you can follow us there. And that's all. I will see you in the next video. Bye.